Hello, friends. Astrologer Mohnish here. Thank you for watching my videos on Vedic astrology, and thank you for being the member of my channel, Astral Astrologer. Now, I'm helping you to become a successful trader using astrology and my VIP technical indicators. Many of you have already started using it, and many of you are started to get your hands wet into it. Many of you might be learning how to trade. So, as your astrologer, as your guru, as your mentor, I'm helping you to trade successfully and make money and get your life free. Means you should not be worrying about the money. You should be attracting money in your life rather than chasing money. And how you do that? Again, you're on the right track by bringing astrology, using my VIP indicators, trusting me on this. You're already on the right track. And cosmos, universe, planets, everything will work with you to get you a successful trader. Today is October 3rd, 2024. I want to highlight few things. So please watch this video with patience. This is to help you only. This is again member only video and it will be released to public later. How you find the profitable trade? That's the first question. And then how you interpret my predictions for the day. Many of you judge the predictions based on where the market ended, the indices ended. This is not a right measures of judging whether the market is bullish or bearish. One indices like Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow Jones have many stocks trading into that. Some will go up, some will go down. If markets are retracing by few fraction of second, few fraction of percentage, it's not a bearish trend. It is just that some stocks were been selling higher versus some stocks which were going as a buy, more people were buying it. And ultimate, the final outcome comes as plus or minus for that particular indices. For instance, let's say today's market. I mentioned in my weekly update that today's market will be sluggish and bullish trends. Now you see that many of you will start thinking, oh, I said bullish, so these numbers should be all green, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones. No, this is now the way of interpreting or measuring the success and failure of our predictions and also knowing what is happening. You should see the markets only retraced 0.17, 0.5, 0.44. Is this bearish? You call it bearish? Then you're wrong. Then you're not a good trader. The sentiments are still very bullish. Market came down and then went up. This shows that how much the strength in the market is, that the sentiments are still bullish. People are still buying stocks. It's not a crash of the market. It's just a genuine pullback on certain stocks. It could be oil and gas sector. It could be banking sector. It could be information technology sector. There are many sectors embedded into those indices. One will do good, one will do bad. So you cannot judge with this green, it should be bullish, red should be bearish. No, the overall sentiments of the market are still very bullish. And I told you when certain planets like Rahu, Jupiter stands in particular nakshatras or in zodiac signs, they create a long-term trends, 18 months, bullish trends or bearish trends or sluggish trends. This month we know where the new lunar month started. If you read my predictions, market will be sluggish. There will be pullbacks, but how soon that pullbacks is overridden, that shows the strength of the market. That is still the market is very bullish. People are still waiting to jump into this markets and buy the favorable stocks they want at the discounted price. So first thing first. Now second is, don't judge the predictions based on green and red. Always judge the predictions where the market sentiments are overall the bigger picture. Now, how you see the profitable trades. Now, before I go there, this is the BWX Technologies I recommended to buy last month. And our target was to reach at 115. And today you see it pierces our target to 117 and it's a bullseye. So last month I predicted that this stock is going up, buy it. And people, my subscribers, my followers who bought this made a huge profit. Now you can either close your trade, wait for this VIP indicator to first pull back. See, it's already showing pullback, waiting that this has hit its target, take profit zone. Now you see RSI indicator is going very up. So I would rather, as a prudent trader, I will not jump into it now. If you have never bought BWX before, I would rather wait for this RSI to come down. You will see there would be another, this green line will go downwards, and there will be maybe a little bit of red arrow here that market is pulling back. The stock has been getting a little down. It will test its support again at this level, maybe 108, 110 level, and then it will go further up. So when you see the red line here, just wait, and when the green comes here back, along with this green sign, then you jump into this trade. Or even if you see this is green and this doesn't turn red here, this doesn't turn red here, and there's a red here, and then the red moves back to this small green, then you can jump into this trade again. This is how you trade as a prudent trader, that don't chase the market. If market is going up in a very strong manner, don't chase it. That is where you do the maximum mistakes, because when you go and buy at the higher ends of the market prices, you're falling into a trap, because the retail traders are increasing the price, pumping it. The moment everybody comes to buy it, they will start selling it because they want to make profits and they want to book the profits. So you lose your money and they make the money. Never do that unless you see the red candle forming again, pull back. That pullback means now the big guys are selling it because they are earning the profits. Wait for them to take their profits. Let the prices come down. Look at the RSI indicator and look at my VIP GMMA indicator, which will show you the red first and then the green again, that now the pullback has been done. Go for it again. This is the very important lesson if you're a new trader. Never rush into those candles which are showing green. It's a trap for you. Biggest trap. Never do that. That's the reason most of the people or traders think, what happened? The moment I jump into the trade, the market crashes. Market pulls back. The moment I jump into buying some stocks, those stocks just come down, because you get into the trap of those market makers who are pumping, or the big retail traders pumping the stock, and then they will sell it to make their profits. So don't do that, okay? Follow the indicators again. Follow the indicator. Now, if I have to buy this stock, what I will do is I will let this line come down. There may be another small red indicator, just like this pullback happen here, this 4 candles red on the daily chart. And then when it goes back to green, this line goes back to green in the daily chart, then I will enter this trade. Now, that is for if you are going to keep this stock for the longer period. But if you still want to jump into this moving big candles upward, then you need to change the time frame and go for 1 hour chart. And then here you wait for the pullback. You see the pullback is happening here. This line is dropping down. And then after the pullback, when the green sign comes here again, then you get into the trade. Okay. And then you can keep it for a few hours, make money, and then sell it. So these are the techniques, the secrets, the tricks of the trade. You must know how market behaves, how market entice you, how you see that it's running up, and you are missing something. I tell you one thing, you're not missing anything. Patience is the key in stock market trading. Discipline is the key. Do not jump thinking that you're losing something. You will not lose anything unless you put money in that thing. You will only lose when you are entering at the wrong timings. Now, other thing I want to show is how to find the best trades. And what I did today, I'm going to show you that. So you see here in the Trading View platform, you push this particular slide up, and there's a stock screener here. Click on the stock screener, okay, stock screener, and you see that here. What I do is you need to find, these are the filters here, you need to find which stocks are moving, where the juice is. If the stocks are not moving, how are you going to make money on that? We need volatility. We need volatility and juice. Quick up and quick down. And what I do is, there are some presets here. So I'm going to go back and show you on the stock screener. Push this up and down to make a room. And then go for filters and look for volume leaders first. That today, you can use a daily chart also, like 1 day. In 1 day, what's happening. But if this is 5 minutes, 15 minutes, this is 1 day, right? So you can put the filters. But if you are a good trader and you're looking for a scalping or looking for quick in and out money, what I did today, I'm going to show you that. Then you can play around with it. I went to 5 minutes time period and I said, give me what is the volume leader here? Where is the volume? And you see, these were all the stocks that were showing me the volume. Now, my prediction for the day today was that market will be bullish. Okay. Don't look at these red numbers again. Market is still bullish. I will not look at anything which is saying sell, 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 because I know anytime, market is bullish, sentiments are bullish. If market is showing some pullbacks, very soon it will go up. I will look for the buy signals. I will look for the buy technical ratings here using this TradingView platform. What I did today is I found a stock which is, I'm going to show you here, EVGO. You see that? The rating, the technical rating is also buy. EVGO today, I'll click on it on 5 minutes chart. You see it's a daily. I'm going to turn it to 5 minutes. And here you see that. Today, this stock went up right from the moment it opened in the markets. 3rd of October, you see that? This is where before the pre-market, the sign was green. My technical indicator is showing green. Let me show you some room here. You see this, and this is the time it is showing green, even in the pre-market condition. And then we enter the trade when the market opened. And you see that 7:30 my local time when the market is open. 5:20 is the time when we went into the trade. Or simply you can say that when the pullback happened here in 5 minutes time, and then the green sign came here, you can enter the trade here at 5:50. And you see where it is going now. You see that? It is right now trading at 6:30. So if you enter the trade, like we did enter the trade at this particular candle, let's say I'm going to use my local time. So this was a candle 497. So we bought it at 5 and we sold it at approximately 640 at this particular candle, right? Because we know even if you would have done a pre-market order also and made more profit. So 100 stocks, so $5, you're buying it at $500 investment and you're selling it for $650. So you made $150 in just a few minutes, And this is how you do that. So overall, what I'm trying to tell you is look for this particular filters, see which one works for you. And then these are the stocks which are moving the most in the day. And you need to play only with these stocks. Pick the one which has a very strong volume. Pick the one which are, if I'm saying the markets are bullish, which are bullish, buy, strong buy, and play with those stocks, buy and sell them when our indicator shows buy and sell them in 5 minutes chart or even in 1 hour chart. Whatever the trading style you have, you won't go wrong as long as you're using this indicator based on the way or the methods I'm telling you. You see in here for 1 hour chart, you see AAON, right here you entry. So this is showing ready, this is go, and you jump on here and you can go till here, right? See how much money you can make. Even if you have, 2 options of this stock, you can literally have jumped from $88 to $207. Look at it. The $20, right on the money on the table, which you could have squeezed as much as you wanted. This is the beauty. This is the way you trade it. Again, Astrologer Mohnish, I want you to be successful. I want you to make money. I want you to be a person who is independent, who just knows how to trade, how to make money, how to be successful, how to be dedicated, focus, and live your dream life. Astrologer Mohnish, once again, feel free to reach out, your questions, concerns, provide your feedback. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And I shall see you in my next video very soon. Trade safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay awakened. God bless.